Artificial intelligence is advancing faster than ever. It can generate text, create images, and yes, even write code. But does this mean AI will replace human programmers? Or is it just another tool for developers? Let's break it down. AI coding assistants have taken over the tech world. Tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT can write functions, debug errors, and even generate full projects. But how do they actually work? AI analyzes massive amounts of data, recognizes patterns, and generates solutions in seconds. A task that might take a human hours, AI can do in seconds. Example: AI generates a simple Python program in seconds while a human writes it manually. Impressive, right? But speed isn't everything. AI can generate code, but does it truly understand what it's doing? Not always. Let's look at where humans still have the upper hand. Points. Where humans excel: creativity and innovation. AI follows patterns, but humans create new algorithms. Problem solving and debugging. AI struggles with complex, non-patterned issues. Understanding business logic. AI generates code but doesn't understand why it's needed. AI can generate perfect-looking code, but sometimes it doesn't work as expected. A human still needs to check, debug, and improve the logic. So, will AI replace programmers? The answer is no, at least not entirely. AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to assist us. The best programmers will be the ones who know how to use AI effectively while still thinking critically. Example: a developer using AI to speed up coding but manually reviewing and optimizing the code. AI helps programmers write faster, but the real magic happens when humans refine, improve, and innovate. AI is powerful, but human intelligence is still unmatched. What do you think? Will AI ever be able to fully replace programmers? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Soft Edge Academy for more tech insights. See you in the next one.